Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Android model and Android version, so you choose compatible recovery tools. Once done, enable USB debugging and developer options, or get a secure Wi-Fi transfer app ready. This lets recovery tools access storage. Make sure to free up or verify storage, and then immediately stop taking photos or installing apps. This prevents deleted file blocks from being overwritten. Now connect to your PC or launch the chosen app, and proceed to scanning tools so you can locate recoverable images. You now run a deep scan with the recovery app or PC software. Deep scans take longer but find more fragments and originals. As files appear, preview thumbnails to verify image integrity and use file dates to pick recent shots. Mark originals over compressed thumbnails. Make sure to change the restore destination to an external SD card or cloud storage so you won't overwrite remaining recoverable data on internal memory. Once selections are confirmed, start the restore and monitor progress until the transfer completes. You finish by verifying each restored photo for quality and completeness. Immediately copy confirmed images to a permanent backup like Google Photos or an external drive. If expected pictures are missing or corrupted, repeat the scan using different settings. Change file types, increase scan depth, or try an alternative recovery tool, because different algorithms succeed on different file signatures. If repeated attempts fail, consider stopping and consulting a professional data recovery service. They can image the device and extract data without risking further loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.